In this video, I will talk about how I will turn completely bullish if this happens. What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video. My name is Rashad, and I will talk about the best scenario for Bitcoin. And if this happens, I will turn completely bullish. If you guys have been watching my videos, I am a bear in YouTube. And you guys know that a lot of people are bullish. A lot of people are talking about everything is going to go up, and everybody are just so excited. But as I have been telling you guys, I am still thinking that this could work as a bull trap. And because we have seen similar movements for Bitcoin before, and everybody got into longs and we started crashing. All right, so I'm going to first start with a couple of examples from previous, at the all-time high we made first around $64,000. All right, this was beginning of the bull market we had. And you guys saw that price, how much crashed for the first time when it got to almost $58,000. Price went lower. We're going to review this. Please make sure to like this video. It's a free like you're giving me, but it's going to motivate me to come with more videos. And as I am telling you guys, this video is very important. I want you guys to watch the whole thing because I'm going to cover what prices I am exactly watching for Bitcoin, and I'm going to turn bullish if it happens, okay? So I'm going to come here and just put the ruler from the first level that we touched around $58,000 for the first time, and we actually crashed 26%, which was almost $15,500, right? And then we went up, how much? Up to, it made a new all-time high, 43%, okay? At the end, I'm gonna make a point here, okay? Then another one, we had another crash and we went higher. So we made three new all-time highs, but what was the result of all these hype and hopium in here? We crashed over, let me just go here, 55%, guys, okay? And it was in the middle of our bull market, right? Bull market had not stopped yet. A lot of coins, although they crashed over 50-60%, especially altcoins, they started still going back up even a lot more than Bitcoin, and they gained a lot of percentage, although they had lost over 50-60%, and they returned over a lot more than Bitcoin, all right? And you guys saw that we started going back up, and we actually, if I make it a daily, go to the daily, bear with me. And if you guys remember, in my previous video, I told you guys that S&P 500 is making a cup and handle shape like Bitcoin when Bitcoin did around $69,000. And everybody got hyped, and because they thought that we have already broken above and made a new all-time high, we're going to probably make a cup and handle and start going back up. But you guys saw that we failed, and Bitcoin started actually ending our bull market, right? So another one that we are actually right now, the movements that we see from Bitcoin, the price action we see from Bitcoin, it looks very bullish, but I want you guys to pay attention. In the first example, when I gave you about when the Bitcoin was around $64,000, right? We had a lot of corrections on the way until we actually topped out and we went back lower, right? And you guys see that Bitcoin has actually passed the level I was talking about, around $49,000, $50,000, and we are going up and down around actually $49,000, $50,000, right? And so I am still watching this area, and I want you guys to pay attention about the last previous bear market we had. If we actually put the Fibonacci retracement, and we go all the way from the top we had to the lowest point we had in the bear market of last around when was it, 2018, almost end of 2018, you guys see that Bitcoin went actually and passed 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, but every time it crashed back down, right? So from the top of the bear market rally we had to the bottom of the Bitcoin, all right, we still see that Bitcoin, let me zoom in. you guys can clearly see that 0.61 Fibonacci retracement. Although we went and hit it many times, every time we closed below, right? And this was a kind of a fake out. This I could not count this because we actually failed really bad. So this was a dead cat bounce, right? But you guys see that in here, after Bitcoin actually break above 6.618 Fibonacci retracement, and we did a pullback, and that was a healthy pullback, we started the rally, and the bull market started actually from here. Okay, so if we actually go to where we are right now and do the same thing, and if we actually do the same thing from the top we had, from almost $69,000 all-time high of Bitcoin down to 15,500 almost, from top to the bottom of our bear market bottom. So you guys see that we have actually passed 0.61 Fibonacci retracement, but the candle has opened actually yesterday. Actually, today we started having this candle yesterday or today. Actually, this 12th. Yes. So it is still 12 in here. Okay, so this candle, if we actually close above 0.61 Fibonacci retracement, and I am gonna still wait to have this rally, and if it still keeps above this 0.61 Fibonacci retracement, which is above that yellow line that I just erased, okay, you guys see that if we actually go up and have a healthy pullback, that's when I'm gonna be completely convinced that we have started a bull market, and if it is official. But with the data I have, with the technical analysis that I have been seeing, it does not make sense at all, because we should have a lot of charts that I have reviewed all these years. We were supposed to be stopped around here at least one time. I have it pull back and start going back up. And we were supposed to get another stop around here and actually have another pullback down, because this price we are actually meeting after a year and something, right? And these closed candles are supposed to be very hard to break. Okay, so as I am saying that the only time I'm going to turn bullish, if we actually go almost to $55,000 and have a very slow and healthy pullback after 3-4 weeks, almost a month, and if we do not crash, I'm actually going to turn bullish. Okay, I have been telling my members in my videos that I'm saying that we are so ready for the price to go anywhere. So even if it crashes, better, we have more opportunity to buy cheaper coins. But even if we don't, we have already bought a lot of good coins, and we are not afraid that if we actually go down. All right. So if we actually take a screenshot of this chart and turn it back, flip it totally, this area was supposed to be a very, very hard resistance to break. And if you guys see that, USDT dominance is going exactly back to where it got rejected. So I will not be surprised if we get rejected one more time. And if I actually see a green candle, okay, a shooting star to a green shooting star, I will be convinced that we're going to start crashing again. So USDT dominance, if you don't know, if we go back up, it's going to work as the XY, and it's going to be opposite for Bitcoin. So it will go higher and Bitcoin is going to crash. Okay. And the reason is that I have this purple line. As I said before, we have these sharp hits to this level, and every time USDT started crashing, the dominance started crashing, and it got rejected around this area. And we are actually only hitting 2 times to this level. So it is going to be so weird if we actually break it, and my next target will be around here. Okay. And this part around here is going to pump a lot of coins and Bitcoin as well. All right. But as I said, we see that USDT dominance, the percentage is on the lowest point. And if we get supported, last time we got supported around here, we are even lower than that. So look at what happened in here. So we started getting support around here. The blue, as soon as this blue crosses this orange line, we can get a support and we can go a lot higher. At USDT, we will see a huge sell-off for Bitcoin. Okay, so I am still not convinced that we have entered the bull market, and it's not official. I'm making this line one more time for you guys. From the top to the bottom of Bitcoin, that so far we have around 15,500. You guys see that we have just passed 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, but it does not mean anything. It can go up, get rejected very hard, and go back here. And we can hit it a couple of times. It does not matter how many times we hit, as long as I'm gonna only be convinced, because last time we had this rally from here, which was above 0.61 Fibonacci retracement. Usually price starts rallying. Okay, so this is another update for you guys, and I'm gonna go back here and make a little bit of actually micro technical analysis for you guys. So I'm gonna go to 4-hour charts. All right, you guys see that it is about to has actually passed my slant yellow resistance line and is going up and down around it, right? But I am not really being bullish yet. Okay, this could be a bull trap, guys. As I said before, in the weekly chart, we have seen a lot of movement, same movement. We made new all-time high. We made new all-time high after we had huge crashes, and we had huge crash, and we went even higher. So we could still have another drop down here, and that's gonna be end of Bitcoin for a while. And I'm gonna tell you that we're gonna have to probably wait another 6, 7, even up to 9 months for Bitcoin to go back around these prices, because we're gonna probably go back to the prices I have been predicting, which is almost $8,000 to $12,000. And a lot of you guys are not gonna believe this, but this is this rectangular that I made before. This is what I actually believe in, that we can predict how much lower we can go. And if we put it from here, from all-time high down to this level, let me get rid of this line. Let me make it wider. Okay, so you guys see that. Okay, so you guys see from this top to this bottom, from this top to this bottom, and we went higher, and I got the clone of it, and I'm going to put it at this high, and you guys see that we are still missing. That's where I was expecting Bitcoin to go before starting the rally. That's where I was wrong, and I admitted that I was wrong, and it is totally fine, because as I said, this is a game, money-making game. It's not based on real products that much yet, at least. Bitcoin is mostly based on hype, and it's mostly on manipulation. So bigger investors come and announce something, Bitcoin gets a pump if it's positive, and if it's negative, Bitcoin is gonna crash. If you guys remember, Elon Musk said something about that he's not gonna accept Bitcoin or Doge or something like that for Tesla Tesla transactions or trading. Bitcoin started crashing, right? So we cannot really trust big investors. I do not do it, because they know what they are doing and they know how they should make money by actually using their power, in media, and they know that how naive people only just close their eyes and just follow them. And just because you guys see a couple of big investors, BlackRock or MicroStrategy, are buying some thousands of Bitcoin, it does not really mean that they cannot dump it higher prices, guys. Okay, money is still money. They can pump the price $2,000 and sell it at top, just because they're gonna manipulate you. Okay, I'm not telling you guys that they are manipulating you, but they can, guys. All right, so I am still expecting Bitcoin to go almost down to these levels. All right, this is my first target for Bitcoin, but as I said, we need to see almost a month being on higher than 0.61 Fibonacci retracement. Okay, please like the video, share this video, comment down below what you think about my prediction, and if the point that I'm going to be convinced that we have entered the bull market, does it make sense or it doesn't? Okay, should I already be bullish or should I not? I already know a lot of you guys that you have been commenting And thank you guys so much for liking the videos. I'm getting a lot more likes. It is a free like. It motivates me to come back with better videos. So please keep supporting and share this video, and I will come back with another video. Peace.